Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of the tutorial. Today, because it's a basic tutorial, I'll learn you how to build a house. So let's get some wood so we can build a house. Meanwhile, I want to thank you so much for 400 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Also watch till the end to see how to build a house, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more interesting content about Minecraft, Stumble Guys, and different games. But for now, let's collect this wood. Okay. Also, if you want, you can leave a comment with what game should we do next time in the comments, so I can hear your opinion, so I can do what you want. Okay. This tree is a big one, so I try to break as much as I can. Why is the screen shaking? I don't know. This is kind of weird, but okay. Okay, now let's get the wood. I should probably make a new axe and a new pickaxe, because they're kind of breaking. This is the last part of the tutorial, part 2, where I learn you how to build a house. So firstly, you need to collect a lot of wood with the axe, as I said in the first part, because the axe mines wood the fastest. Okay. I made it striped because I clicked with the axe on it, unfortunately, and by mistake, of course. Okay. How much wood do I have? 46, okay. Wait, what? What was that? I think it was a creeper, but it was a massive explosion. This was a cave, so here was the creeper. Okay. I was scared for a second. The creeper just exploded and... yeah. I was really scared. Because I didn't know what was there. What was there? Okay. My axe is almost breaking. That's not good. I'll collect wood until my axe breaks. And then I'll go into the village. So I can make a new axe and the house, of course. Okay. Trying to collect as much wood as I can. Let's see how much we have. A stack, okay. I'll mine until my axe runs out, as I said. Wait, why is there a wandering trader on the fountain? There was a wandering trader on the fountain. But I don't think you saw it. But it's okay, I'll show it to you later. Sorry for going like this in the works, but yeah. Okay. Why is the screen shaking? This whole video the screen was shaking, I mean, why? I don't know. It's a bit weird, but okay. So you need to collect like... I think this is enough. I think this is enough how much I collected. Like a stack and a half or something like that. Okay, now let's go in this house. I need a crafting table. Don't tell me there is not a crafting table. Oh, I have one actually. Okay. Crafting table. So I'll firstly make some oak planks, a lot of oak planks. Okay. I'll do it on my own, like I'll waste the whole stack, the whole thing. Okay. Still pressing. This is, I think, the most boring part, but it will be interesting from now on, trust me. Okay, and this one as well. I have 4 stacks with this one. It's for sure enough. 4 stacks, maybe even 5? I don't think so. Or actually, I don't know, we'll find out. Yeah, I think it's going to be almost 5 stacks, okay. Oh, I also need to do something now. Okay. And craft a axe, and for now just an axe. The pickaxe can resist. Okay, let's break this now. Okay, now let's find a place to build a house. So the second step is finding a place. Okay, we're in a village. Let's see a flat zone, kind of like. I don't know, I can't see a flat zone, so I can build my house. Oh, I found one here, but it's not big enough. Yeah, it's not big enough, but it's the only one we have. I can build it here because for a beginner house, it's no need to be big. You can make it small, so I can build it here next to this village house. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's take all this wood out. Oak, I mean, whatever, you got it. Okay, I'll make it just from oak planks, cause that's the thing I have. Okay, let's break this thing. Okay. Broke it. I have no more space in my inventory to keep these things, so I'll just leave it like that. Okay. Here you leave a 2 block space for the door. For the doors, I mean, because it's going to be 2. Wait, why am I putting it here? Okay, let's put it there. So this is the foundation. Let's say like that. Now you need to go up a few blocks. I'll go like this. I think it's okay. Because we also need to make the roof, so it's okay like this. Now you put the walls, just like this. You place the blocks in a straight line. Okay. You can also place 3 or 2 columns at the same time. It's your decision. No, I fell. Okay, let me go back up. Okay. Okay, now let's put the crafting table here so I can craft something. I want to craft some stairs for the roof, if you didn't got it yet. But where are the stairs is my question. Wait, let me search. Okay, I found the stairs. Let's make a stack. Okay, I made a stack and a bit. Now let's take the crafting table back. And let's build a roof, but quickly, because it's going to be night soon. And I also need to put some torches in the house, and I don't have coal. Oops, that was not good. That is not good, I mean. I need coal. Okay, let's build a door quickly. I need my crafting table. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Place the crafting table down. Wait, I'll firstly sleep because it's night. Okay. So you don't need to panic about the house and so on. Okay. Now that I slept, let's craft some doors. No stairs doors. Okay. 3 doors is enough. Or actually, no. I'll place them after I make the floor. Okay. So let's make the floor first. Okay. Let's make the floor. I need a shovel for this actually. I'll not break the dirt with the pickaxe because my pickaxe is running out, so I don't want to waste it on some dirt. I'll break it with my hand. And I need to find some coal. Like, I really need to find some coal. Okay. We'll take those items after I make the house. Okay. Making the floor right now. Okay. Now let's throw some stuff from our inventory. Let's throw... I will need a cobblestone. Let's throw these flowers. Wait. Okay, let's throw them. Coal I need. Oh, I have coal actually. That's good. Saplings I don't need. Rotten flesh I don't need. Poisonous potato not. Dye I know. Granite no. Stripped oak no. Seeds no. Andesite no. And okay, this is enough that I've thrown away. Let's make a hole under these items so they can go somewhere, I guess. Now let's cover this hole. Okay. Now let's put the doors. Okay. Put the bed. I need to get one more bed from the villagers, so I'll get one as quick as I can. Oh, I've already been to this house. To this one as well? Really? I need to find another house quickly before the thunderstorm comes and the mobs are spawning. Isn't there any bed? I don't need a... Oh my god. This is so annoying. Okay, finally a white bed. Here, let's go. Okay. Now let's get back to my house. Okay. I also need to do the roof. I forgot about that. But I'll do it. No problem. Okay, let's put this bed here. Where's my crafting table? Here it is. Furnace also. Okay. I need to craft a chest. Okay. Put the chest here. I want a double chest actually. Okay, let's craft another chest and put it here. Okay, now let's close the doors a bit. Make some sticks. If I can find them. Here they are. Okay. 40 torches is for sure enough. But I'll just make 35. Oh, I already had some torches. Okay, let's put them in the house. Okay. Nice. Okay, now that the house is lighted, I need to go make the roof. Okay, let's make the roof. I wish the rain stops. Okay, let's try to make the roof as good as we can. As good as we can. Okay. I'll probably need more stairs. I don't think this is enough. But we'll see. Okay. No, I don't want to put it like this. Or actually... Wait. I'll copy the villagers. So I don't waste a lot of stairs. I'll just make like this on the sides, the roof. No, the stairs gone. Okay. Now that I placed it, let's place another one. You need to be really careful when you place the stairs. So you place them correctly, like in the right position. Not in the wrong one. Now let's place them up here. Okay. Let's do like this now. Place a stair here. Block, stair, block, stair, block, stair. Okay. I think I said that too many times. But let's put the blocks and the stairs. Okay. Now up here you'll put some blocks, I think. But a bit. Okay, now I'm stuck here. I'll do a thing so I'm not stuck anymore. I'll put the stairs on the other part. That's okay. Now let's put the block and the stair. Block and the stair. The block and the stair. Block and the stair. Okay. Trying to put them as fast as I can. And now let's cover this in oak and put the roof just like this. Okay. Now let's make here the roof. I think it's okay like this. Okay, I hope I have more wood. Yes, I have. Okay. Okay, and now some stairs here. Oops, I put them the wrong way. So we're going to fix it. And just like this, the house is officially ready. Now let's break this tower. This is a simple basic house because it's a basic tutorial, so yeah. Okay, this is the house. It's not the best one, but not the worst one, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.